welcome back to my channel. I'm Maya, or Cranfaerie, and today I'm going to be doing a Scribblers unboxing. This is a writing subscription box that I ordered. I was very curious to try it. I've been eyeing it for a couple of years, so this was something I was excited to try for this video. So, this is the box. I love this box. It is beautiful. I love it has the typewriter and all the little characters typewritten. It says "write" on the top. And on the bottom, you have just a note from, well, a note. It has the signatures of the creators of the box. And on the side, it has the website, so goscribble.com or hashtag goscribble or Scribbler. And from writers, for writers. So the creators of this box are writers, and this is for writers. Makes sense. All right, I'm going to open it up and let's see what's inside. All right, so let's take a peek. Pop this up. So, first things first, we have their social media information. You can see on the top, zoom in a little bit, we've got a card, a little sneak peek of what's inside. I love this. This is really pretty. So, Scribbler Writing Contest. Practice writing vivid description below by describing your hometown in 4 to 5 sentences. We'll select one winner to receive a bonus gift. Entry closes February 13th. To enter, share a picture of your entry on social media and tag GoScribble. Or Scribbler. Okay, cool. So that's good to know. I am definitely going to give that a shot. Is this a sticker? Okay. I love these little things. They're probably such a waste and they're kind of a pain, but they're fun. First of all, we have Bobo's Stuffed Oat-Bite Apple Pie. Baked with you in mind. It's GMO verified. Pretty cute. I'm excited to try that. I'll have that as a snack when I'm doing my homework this week. I'm currently taking a Coursera course on writing, so this is a good thing for me to have while I do my homework. Alright, let's get rid of this stuff. I will vacuum later, because I'm going to have 3 boxes worth of this fluffy stuff all over the floor. Alright, we have, I believe these are bookmarks. It says, "Read more, sleep less," which is my summary for last night. I've been reading Marissa Mayer's Instant Karma, and last night I binge read about 4 chapters. So, 4 chapters, you know, more than 4, but I was up for like extra 2 hours. So, "Read more, sleep less" is the first bookmark. "I Heart Books" is the second one. I love this. And these are Public School Paper Co., the bookmarks. "Reading is the best defense against unwanted conversation." These are all very accurate, and I apologize for the camera reversing everything. I'm going to figure that out, but right now this is just how it's going. I have got another camera on the way, so hopefully that'll help. "If my book is open, your mouth should be closed." I do appreciate that one. "The book was better." A sentiment I can always agree with, except for maybe Stardust, because in my opinion, Stardust the movie and Stardust the book are both fantastic. They're just completely separate entities. Let me know what you think in the comments. But personally, I enjoyed both very, equally. I did start with Stardust the movie and then read the Neil Gaiman book. But I love both. They're just both so creative and interesting. And the film did a really good job of doing something that was within our grasp in film while still being interesting. Last one there is just a heart with a nice grid below. I love these. These are so cute. This is good because I keep running out of bookmarks. I'm sure I won't have that issue in the near future, though, with the way things are going. All right. I have "Writer at Work," little sticker. And this is one of those little vinyl ones, it looks like. It's actually, is it, or is it a patch? It might be a patch. I think it's just a sticker, though, but I will take a look and see if they have a description for that. We have Piccadilly.com's Pocket Memo 3-pack medium ruled. So these are 3 very cute notebooks for writing notes. So I'll be using these probably for one of my novels, keep track of those. Or I might use them for sketching, but they do say they're lined, so probably not. Let's open them up though and see. I don't want to hurt them. Just give the plastic a little nip. I think I was too timid about the nipping. There we go. All right. So 3 little notebooks. Oh, I like the texture on these. So they're plain on front, and they're actually really nice. Like, they've got like a little bit of a texture to them, but nothing crazy. How did I just manage? I already smudged the back of one of them because that's just how I roll. Oh, maybe it'll come off. I am the messiest human possible, so it's unlikely that things will stay clean with me. It's best not to try. All right, lined. I do, though. Usually, like, especially with bullet journaling, I try hard, but there's even a little envelope in the back. So, for instance, with my Docs Us Down series, that's specifically about, it's a sci-fi. And I have little character sheets that I've printed out with each of my characters' descriptions, so that would be good to put in the back of one of these. Okay, so we've seen these. Next we have Writer's Passport descriptions. So I think each month they send you one of these little passports, and this has different stuff in it. So on the back it says, "There is no better time to work on your dreams than the present. Scribbler founder Victoria and Lindsay." And then inside, I believe there's some educational value to this. So it says how to write vivid descriptions, and it has a word from the Scribblers. Descriptions should add another layer of depth to any scene. Megan Chance. And you can see they have like a little section inside with a whole bunch of information and a little educational lesson. That's very cool. I'm excited to read through that. Probably read that while I'm at work today. Publishing process. Look inside. All authors need a strong synopsis to grab the agent's interest to understand your story as a whole if you're self-publishing. It's important whether you're trying to get your first book published or attracting attention to your next book. So this is a little look at how the publishing industry works, and it does go over what is in the box, which I don't want to spoil for you guys, so we'll leave that be. So I would assume this is the first thing I'm technically supposed to look at, because it has the breakdown on the back of what's in the box. All right. Exclusive chat. I'm invited to an exclusive chat with Erin McClary, Associate Editor at Source Books. Very cool. That would be interesting to join. I will definitely be taking a look at that. We have the book plate and the book. So it's a paperback, which, I mean, there's so much value in here that whatever. The Eve of Destruction. Okay, I should tell you what this is. A Splendid Ruin, a novel by Megan Chance, which makes sense because Megan Chance was the one doing the description discussion. And you can see here it has a beautiful cover on the front there with a girl and what I would say are fleur-de-lis, I believe. When a city goes dark, a family's secrets come to light. The Eve of Destruction. After her mother's death, penniless May Kimball lives a lonely life until an aunt she didn't know existed summons her to San Francisco. There, she's welcomed into the wealthy Sullivan family and their social circle. Initially overwhelmed by the opulence of her new life, May soon senses that dark mysteries lurk in the shadows of the Sullivan mansion. Her glamorous cousin often disappears in the night. Her aunt wanders about in a laudium fog. I can't say that word. Please correct me in the comments. And a maid keeps hinting that May is in danger. Trapped by betrayal, madness, and murder, May stands to lose everything, including her freedom, at the hands of those she trusts most. Then, on an early April morning, San Francisco comes tumbling down. Out of the smoldering ruins, May embarks on a harrowing road to reclaim what's hers. This tragic twist of fate, along with the help of an inept and charismatic journalist, puts vengeance within May's reach. But will she take it? That sounds very good. I'm very excited about that. And let's take a quick peek inside. So, simple typeface at the beginning there. Really pretty, though. I like the A on that. I do like to go into typography, so you'll probably see me talking about that a little bit. This is published by Lake Union Publishing, so check that out if you're interested. And you can see on the inside here, they have really nice chapter titles. Really nice swooshy design. So that is our Scribbler box, and we've got the book plate, so I'll be putting that in there. I am very excited about this. I can't wait to read the information and check out this interview. I might order another one. We'll see. This was kind of a one-off to give it a shot and just see how it was. It was around, I think, $50. Check out their website. So that's, if you're interested in checking it out, that's going to be at goscribblers.com. So I really enjoyed opening this, though, and I look forward to opening the next box. So check back with me on the next video. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with what your favorite item was, or if you're interested in subscribing to this, just curious to hear your thoughts on it. And let me know how to pronounce that word. I definitely don't know how to say it, but I know what the word is. My brain's just not computing. Oh well. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.